Joints are located within bridge decks to accommodate the translation and rotation of the structure at the joint, nor can they cause damage to vehicles crossing the bridge. Deck joints must also be carefully detailed to prevent damage to the structure from water, de-icing chemicals, and roadway debris. Joint types that permit low to moderate movement are shown at the top of this slide and include the sliding plate and strip seal. The sliding plate was very common used for some smaller structures. A sliding plate is anchored on one side of the joint and simply slides over an open gap into a slab recess side. In order to waterproof the joint, a trough or some other gland needs to be installed under the deck. A compression seal is a preformed elastomeric expansion device that is compressed and put to help hold it in place, sometimes with a notch or a stopper below the joint to help set its depth. These joints are used for spans in which the expected total range of movement is less than 2 inches. A strip seal is a sealed joint with an extruded elastomeric seal, retained by edge beams that are anchored to structural elements, ranges from 1.5 to 4 inches. Larger movement joints are commonly of 2 types, a joint known as a finger joint, shown at the bottom left, or a more modern expansion joint, known as a modular bridge joint system. Each of these 2 joint types is still used for modern bridges, while the finger joint was a very common joint system for many older bridges.